Rachel, I bought you a gift.
Me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, well, I saw these like cheap little kits, and they had a couple of baddies on the front, and I thought, oh, Rachel would love this.
Ooh.
But I'm pretty sure they're small. They're not big. This is the fun little box. Look at the detail. That's awesome. I can't tell exactly what scale it is, but I guess we'll find out. Some sort of backdrop. That's so cool. Sanshiro from the Sengoku. Okay. I was pretty curious to see if they were like associated with like an anime or something, but they're not. They're just cool art toys. It's about double the size of a normal miniature.
Aww. Snip.
Actually, what did you drop?
Her neck.
Her neck? Her neck. I wish I knew what her neck looked like. Everything kind of looks like styrofoam down here.
It was a stick with a little bowl.
Okay.
So on my only remaining neck, I thought it was a bit of sprue, but it's a bit you need. So I've cut off part of her neck.
Okay. Well, you have 2 kids.
Thanks.
It's alright. How'd you go?
She's done.
Oh, that's great. You did a good job.
That was a bit shit. You said that this was really advanced.
It is. Transfers are really hard.
See, I cut it a little bit small.
That's very good. That's great. Yeah. And how would you rate your first model kit?
In terms of fun or...
Yeah, in terms of fun.
I would say an 8.
An 8, that's pretty good.
The deduction of 2 points was for the really fiddly small bits that made me really frustrated.
Yeah, it's a hard kit, but you even did the transfer.
Yeah.
Which you should be really proud of.
Thank you.
Look, little feet sticking out. It's so she can hide.
Aww.
Rachel visiting today has kind of revealed a bit of a flaw in my workstation. My desk, my workbench, this is made out of an old server rack that I salvaged. So essentially it's like this trough of like model bits and chunks and stuff that get lost forever, especially when they go down into the abyss. So I think it might be time after all these years. Wow. Okay, yeah, years. To make a change. Because it's fine if I lose a bit, like I just resculpted it, I add a bit of green stuff there, I smushed something different into that spot. But, you know, for someone like Rachel, it's a bit of a bummer when the kit doesn't go together how it should. That works. I think I'm just going to tack these in. That way they don't budge, but also I can remove them without much hindrance. Good. This workshop has seen better days. While Rachel was working on these fun little kits, been cleaning up the workshop. Hang on, let me show you. I hung up this very lovely art. This is from Arcvane, and my friend Thomas asked if he could get a print of it, and he did, and that was a very lovely gift. That made me feel super good. Also, I'm working out this area. to turn into a little kitchen so I can start eating better easily. That's been the problem. I'm drinking a lot of tea to get over my desire for Red Bulls. And maybe most excitedly, I got an air conditioner. So now my days don't have to be cut short because it's so bloody hot to work up here. Something I forgot though. I'm praying that this model isn't just disintegrated. Oh god. When did I put this model in stripping agent? 20, 30 days ago now? Oh, what a hideous fella. Like new. This was a fantastic gift from Thomas that I'm really sorry I didn't take out of the paint stripper sooner. Out of sight, out of mind, I guess. Telepath? GW96. Wow. Nearly as old as me. Next into the stripping tin, I think it's time to get the paint off, well, what used to be a Space Marine Sergeant. You can't really tell under all these layers of paint and primer. This is a second-hand model, this one. But I know someone that would love this if it didn't look like this. So let's clean it up.